Hello lovely people, welcome back to this new quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you unblock someone in Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat. Firstly, you just simply have to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat, just simply go to your profile by clicking to this Bitmoji icon into the top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings. Now after coming to your Snapchat profile, you just simply have to go to your settings icon into the top right corner. And after going to the setting, just scroll to the account actions and select blocked users in here. Step 3. Unblock the blocked accounts. Now after coming to this blocked user section, you can see all of the peoples that you have blocked. You just simply have to click to this button here to unblock the person, and after clicking there, just simply click to yes and the person will successfully be unblocked. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.